Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be how to hide and lock photos on your iPhone. One of the greatest things about the iPhone is that it allows you to keep all your photos in one place. But what if you have some photos that you don't want anyone else to see? Maybe you have some photos from your teenage years you don't want others to see, or maybe you just don't want to share all your photos with the world. Lately, more and more people are looking for ways to keep their private lives private. In this video, we show you how to hide and lock photos on your iPhone so that prying eyes can't see them. Tap Albums in the Photos section, then scroll down. The last two selections have a lock icon and the words Removed Recently and Hidden next to them. This implies that the hidden area is locked if I attempt to enter it. That's a great feature and it comes on by default. Now, select Show Album and then input my passcode in order to unlock this. I can now see the Recently Deleted. The same is applicable to hidden photos. It is secured. It requires your password or Face ID. Both may be utilized. It will now be locked by default, but you can also make it unlocked. So we're going to unlock these items right now. When you go down to the Settings menu, tap the option for Photos. Enter it. Then scroll down. You'll see the option Use Passcode, and then turn it off. To see a hidden album or a recently deleted album, you must enter your passcode. Now that it's turned off, go to your images and scroll all the way down to Albums before selecting that option. Using this method, you can lock or unlock your recently deleted and hidden albums as desired. Using the built-in features of the iPhone Photos app is the most effective way to hide and lock photos. You can also use any third-party apps to add an extra layer of security, if that makes it any better for you. By following these tips, you can keep your photos safe and secure. And be sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.